Hi there, I'm so excited for you to get started with one of our video tutorials. I just wanted to go over a few little things. So the first thing is that our video tutorials are in a specific order, but you don't have to watch them that way. You can skip around to different titles that you need help with. And then the other thing is you can turn the closed captioning on or off in YouTube. Just go ahead and click on the CC. And next to the CC, you have the power to change the speed of the video. So I'm going to go ahead and play this. I have it on mute so that you don't hear two different voices. But you go to the gear, and under gear, you have the option that says playback speed. It's in normal right now, but normal's a little faster than I actually speak because I'll cut off any dead space, or if I say so or speak a little slower, I'll cut out. I'll edit that out in editing. So if it's too fast, you can actually slow it down by going to 0.75 speed or 0.5. My voice will sound a little funny, but it probably already sounds funny, so you'll be okay. I typically like it to go faster when I'm watching YouTube videos, and maybe this is just me, but some of us, I think, if you want to go faster, go ahead and click on 1.25 or 1.5. Anything faster than that is just a little too fast for me. So again, you can change the speed at which you're watching the video. You can turn the captions on or off. If you have questions, let us know, but I hope that this video was helpful for you today.